What up?
What's up?
That's my boy. Hey, what up, y'all? Sir Cash here. Um, Airlift problems update. Actually, this is the first part. So, all right. Anyways, I'm break down a quick story as to why all this is the way it is. I was driving around. I was losing air pressure, and my airlift management didn't tell me that I had a leak. Anyways, got home, saw somehow that I had rubbed through my plastic, and my line is tucked behind. So essentially, replaced that line. Fine. Another issue was I was driving again, probably about like 2 weeks later, and then all of a sudden I had zero air pressure. I mean, quick, and you could actually hear it from inside the car, and I knew that that was bad. So I get home, eventually have to break all that down just to get the bag out to see that I have somehow rubbed through my entire bag. I've had the airlift system for over a couple years now, and I've never had this issue to where I rubbed through the line. So I started doing a little bit more investigating, and I don't know if this is normal airlift quality. I don't live in an extremely salty area because this is rust, son. This is rust, and this system was brand new. Everything was brand new from Airlift. So 2.5 years, and I've already had some rusted cups. And then this other cup is completely bent. Now, upon looking at my wheel, I don't have any bends in my wheel, so I don't know how this piece actually got bent. But that's bent and rusted through, obviously, the most thinnest or the thinnest area on the cup. So that wasn't fun. And obviously, it's supposed to, both of these pieces are the same. So as you can tell, one is not like the other. You can obviously tell that this one was the bottom one, but this one's the top cup. So, in addition to my airbag just looking weird, upon taking it out, this is the top of the airbag. And this piece, let me focus, this piece actually sits into a better position. So, this piece with this top goes like that. Or I believe it goes like that. That's how it's supposed to sit. And it goes, where is that? It goes up there in that hole. So when I dropped everything, this piece broke. So how in the world did this bolt snap off from in there? Because it must have been sitting in there because there was pressure on it. But as soon as I loosened everything, it came out. Or that's the way it's supposed to sit. Like that. You see, son?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the end of a bolt. And this bolt goes all the way through to here. And then it sits right there. And that's rusted as well, too. So I'm like, dude, what in the world is going on? So anyways, I end up ordering a new piece. And see, son, this is that new piece bolt is supposed to go in through here and connects to that and to that. Anyways, I'm sorry I'm not using like official part numbers or being really technical with it, but the bolt's basically supposed to go through and help hold everything together on the top end of the part. So when you order parts from Airlift, you got to order each individual part number. So that's part number 13321RP. I did order this part. I thought it would have came with the bolts, but it did not. And so I don't know if I'm going to use those specific bolts from Airlift. And then I ordered the new bag. So essentially, I have to order 2 more of these. And I'm eventually going to change out the other side too, because if these are rusted, then I can only imagine what the other ones look like. So I can not have to worry about this issue again. But this is weird. I really haven't had any problems out of my airlift. But this one definitely takes the cake as far as like unexpected problems. But, you know, it's part of the game. So When I order the new stuff, I'm gonna install, and hopefully that fixes the issue. And then I'll probably check it within 90 days to see if I have any other bending or rubbing or something like that. So, but anyways, that's just kind of the update on the car. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments, and I'll try to get to them as quickly as possible. So, all right, y'all, peace.